The bird garden occupies an area of around 3,000 square meters with about 70 stores selling various kinds of exotic pet birds, bird seeds, bamboo cages, and related products as an attraction to bird fanciers and tourists alike. Construction of the garden began in March 1996 and was completed a year later at a cost of 29 million Hong Kong dollars. The garden is located on the Kowloon side of Victoria Harbour and is easy to get to on the MRT. Get off at Prince Edward Station and take exit B. The bird garden is open daily from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Please like and subscribe.